Yesterday was sketchy, well today is extra fucking sketchy, alright?
More end of this will be pretty badass.
Equal me killing people like making face and get every sequel. Excited that membrane. Bring that brain like method, neglected. Smoking crisps and back to the brain for breakfast. That's what that Hindu fix to do that evil. Me invito para su casa y allí seguimos bebiendo, bailando en la noche. Después la invité a mi casa, se dormía muy tranquila, pero cuando despertaba era pidiendo la copa.
Te seguiré, porque estás que te vas, y 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 no te has ido. Y yo estoy esperando tu amor, esperando tu amor, esperando tu amor, o esperando tu olvido. ¡Ya! ¡Chiquita! ¡No vete la tierra! ¡No sirve! No me amenaces.
I changed the rear gear for a taller ratio because this bitch was screaming at 50 miles an hour. Now it's a lot more relaxed, but it can be smoother still. So there is a slightly smaller gear coming in soon. 3 teeth less than last time. Now, another thing. It's not running optimally. It's getting there. It's getting there, but it's not quite all there. For 2 reasons. Number 1, carbs are running lean. Too lean. It runs a lot better with the choke on. That tells me it's asking for more fuel, so I'm gonna give it some more fucking fuel. And the other thing is, this bitch burns oil. Alright? There's no fucking doubt. The first time it fouled the plugs, I thought it was running too rich. Well, it's fouling the plugs because it's getting fucking oil on them, alright? It's an old engine, it's worn, there's quite a few reasons why it could be burning oil. The 2 top ones being, it's fucking worn, the clearances are too big, there's a stuck piston ring, or the valve stem seals are fucking cracked and dry and they're just letting oil through. None of which I want to do anything about at this time. So in the meantime, I have opted to change the oil for aircraft engine oil. This stuff is specifically made for radial engines. A type of air-cooled engine that is normal to see oil in the combustion chamber. This behaves a little better in the combustion chamber than, say, regular automotive oil. Plus, it's fucking 2560. It's a lot heavier. It's a lot heavier. But it's made for this. It's made for engines with loose clearances, etc. And as an added bonus, it meets the certification for wet clutches, meaning it absolutely does no harm to the clutch of the motorcycle. It doesn't slip, etc. Who would have thunk it, huh? I've actually used this in motorcycles before that were loose as fuck. Works wonderful. So much so that the external leaks that this baby had are fucking gone, alright? I just got home from work. Nice long fucking hot ass ride. Dogging on it. Not a drop of oil on the floor. Beautiful. Previously, with the thinner stuff, there would have been a bunch of little drops everywhere. Not anymore. So, we're getting there, alright? Tonight, I'm going to try to fine-tune this guy a little bit better. And let's see if we can't drill out some jets. Because I don't have an assortment of jets. We're just going to drill them. By the chart. Oh, also, one more thing I found out from exercising this motorcycle down that road is that the forks leak oil. They leak oil and they probably don't have much oil to begin with. They are pretty fucking rigid. But that's a fairly simple fix. Gonna go ahead and change the seals on it later. Change the seals, the dust boots, new oil. It'll perform a lot better, but that'll be later. Tonight, carburetor time. These right here are pretty fucking small. These are the ones that come in the rebuild kits for these carburetors. These are assuming you're sticking to everything stock. This is a very common stock size for this, a 102.5. 102.5 is way too lean for this. But these are expendable for me. I have a bunch of these stock ones. I don't want to pull those out and drill them because they kind of sort of work. Worst case scenario, the bike can still run with those in it. So I'm going to experiment with these. I say experiment, but I've drilled many jets before. That's where these bad boys come in. Now, most jets are sized in millimeter. So 102.5 actually means 1 millimeter and 2/1000. What I want to do is try a 119 jet size, which is where these guys come in. 3/64 or 1.19 millimeters. Double check your shit if you're gonna try this. Now, if you're gonna attempt drilling jets, I highly recommend start with small increments. See, this is a 1.17. This is pretty fucking close. I'd rather go remove the fucking carburetor several times until I get it right than whole hog the motherfucker and now they're useless. Little bit at a time. We're gonna try 1.17 first. Also, this style of drill bit is way fucking easier to use. Focus, you fuck. Notice how the shank is bigger than the drill itself? Good luck finding a chuck that fits the tiny ass size in the front, the tip. Get one with a bigger shank. Here we go. Oh wow, I broke it. Fuck my life. Oh my fucking god. Am I gonna break every goddamn drill bit? Because if I am, this experiment is... Damn it! Fuck! Motherfucking god! Last one. Oh fuck, thank god. Fuck! Last fucking drill bit left! And I got it. Target acquired!
he's tested. Get arrested, guess until he get the message. I feel the pressure, under more scrutiny. And what I do, act more stupidly. Bought more jewelry, more Louis V. My mama couldn't get through to me. The drama, people suing me. I'm on TV talking like it's just you and me. I'm just saying how I feel, man. I ain't one of the Cosbys, I ain't go to Hill, man. I guess the money should've changed them. I guess I should've forgot where I came from. Wait till I get my money right. Then you can't tell me nothing, right? Excuse me, was you saying something? You can't tell.
Bávalo, bávalo, ayer. Cuando de la vida llegué, yo traje mi guitarra pobre. Le trajeron los españoles.
This is a floor delise off of a gate. See if we can't figure out a way to get this guy on here. I like it, but let's see if we can make it work. I think I'm gonna have to TIG braze this on there because I'm probably not gonna be able to TIG weld it and get it to stay. This is cheap cast metal. They don't make these out of like steel anymore. This is fucking cheap cast metal. Thinking of cutting it off here and TIG brazing. TIG brazing should hold just fine.
pensaba que te había olvidado, pero pusieron la canción.
What a god-awful fucking day. I'm not even gonna have the garage door open, fuck it. Anyway, while the electrolysis is going on over there, I'm gonna go ahead and install new clutches and clutch plates, since this guy's been slipping ever so slightly at higher RPM. It's a good indication that it might be a little worn. Might be that time. Got the old manual there, parts soaking over there, German beer over here, bean over there, plates, gasket, vintage performance springs. Away we go. Jesus, fuck. Of course the gasket is stuck to the other side. Motherfuckers are definitely worn compared to obviously the brand new ones. Grippy, deep grooves, not grippy at all, hardly any grooves left. She's worn. Let's put on the new one.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look in the 5 and 10, glistening once again, with candy canes and silver lanes aglow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, toys in every store.
Much better, a lot cleaner. That should work. This guy's also nice and clean, and I got to thinking, what if I gave this guy a little polish, you know? It's not too bad. It's actually not that bad at all. Still has a little sheen to it, but what if I gave it a little polish? You know what? Fuck it. It's easier now that it's out. Let's go for it. Not a super mega showroom polish, but it is many, many miles above where it used to be. Used to be about the same shade as that corroded aluminum over there. I'm happy with it. I think it'll do. It's a little bit of reflection on there. Just a little bit. Not bad. Much better. Gonna use the old reliable blue Hylamar. If you've never heard of this sealant, it's a sealant developed by Rolls-Royce in England for airplane engines. And I've used this shit extensively all over the fucking place. What's unique about it is it's non-hardening. It'll seal just about anything like a motherfucker, but the day you go take it apart, it comes apart. You don't have to scrape and pry for 2 fucking hours. It'll actually come apart. You can wipe the surface with MEK, reapply a fresh coat, good to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue, quote unquote, glue the gasket to the lid and only put a little bit of grease on this side over there. That should be it. That should be all that I fucking need. That way next time I don't have to spend 2 fucking hours scraping gasket material.
fuego que arde tu piel. Soy el agua que mata tu sed. El castillo, la torre, yo soy la espada que guarda el caudal. Tú el aire que respiro yo y la luz de la luna en el mar. La garganta que ansio mojar, que temo ahogar.
Paca, 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 paca en mi caballo. Paca, 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 paca.
While I'm down there, I went ahead and polished the shifter linkage, and this stainless linkage came out like fucking chrome. I like it. Focus, you fuck. Look at the sheen on this bitch.